What's up, YouTube? Today I wanted to show you how to improve the quality of searches on Reddit. So you might notice, as I'm going to show you here, if you want to search something up on Reddit, like if you're trying to find out information, like right now I'm searching up the best workout plans for beginners, you'll see you're not really, this isn't the greatest example, but you're not really going to get the most informative posts. You might get something that pops up, but most of the time it's just going to come up with something from some random comment where the article's at the top, and the search doesn't really work too well. But the best way around this is if you just search what you're trying to look for in Google and then type Reddit after that. So as you're going to see, I'm typing in best workout plans for beginners again, and then I type in Reddit after that. And as you can see, it comes up with just Reddit pages, and these are like the top of the top for what you're looking for. For some reason, Google is just so much better of a search engine, and Reddit really needs to improve on that. But until then, we could just use Google or any search engine for that matter, and you could easily just look up what you're looking for on Reddit instead of searching in the Reddit bar and not getting what you're looking for. If you had any questions, though, or need help with the tutorial, I'd be happy to help. Just comment down below and let me know what you need help with. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.